ZipBooks Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving into an honest review of ZipBooks, a cloud-based accounting software that claims to simplify financial management for small businesses and freelancers. ZipBooks offers a range of features designed to streamline invoicing, bookkeeping, and financial reporting, with the aim of helping users stay on top of their finances without the need for complex software or an accounting background. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or someone looking to manage your financial records without hiring an accountant, ZipBooks may be the tool you've been searching for. First off, ZipBooks provides a free plan, which is a great starting point for small operations. The free version includes basic invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting features, making it ideal for freelancers or small businesses with limited needs. The upgraded plans, starting at $15 per month, add more advanced features like automatic invoicing, time tracking, and the ability to handle unlimited users, which is beneficial if your business grows and you need more functionality. The user interface is one of ZipBooks' standout features. It's clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Whether you're generating invoices, tracking expenses, or reviewing financial reports, everything is accessible within a few clicks. The software also integrates with your bank account, allowing for seamless import of transactions, making bookkeeping far more efficient. While the features are solid, they are basic compared to other accounting software in the same price range. For example, there are fewer integrations with third-party apps, which could be a limitation if your business requires that functionality. Another positive is ZipBooks customer support, which is responsive and available through chat or email. The software also offers useful educational resources, including guides and FAQs to help users get started. However, it's important to note that some users report limitations in terms of customizability, especially when it comes to invoices and reports. For businesses needing more flexibility in these areas, ZipBooks may fall short. In conclusion, ZipBooks is an excellent choice for freelancers and small businesses looking for a straightforward, no-fuss accounting tool. The free plan is a great introduction, and the paid plans provide enough additional features to support growth, making it a cost-effective option for managing finances. However, if your business requires extensive integrations or highly customizable features, you may want to explore other solutions. Overall, ZipBooks is a solid, beginner-friendly tool that delivers exactly what it promises without unnecessary complications.